Hi, I'm Sidra, and I work in strategic deals marketing team at HCL Tech. So what motivated me to pursue further education is, one, I did my MBA about 13 years back, so it has been quite some time, and I wanted to brush up all the concepts and everything, and for that this course is pretty good. And then of course networking, we are about 62 to 67 people in the batch, networking, connecting, making new making new contacts is all about opportunities and opening new more avenues. So that is what motivated me to take up this course and take more interest in education. So this particular program has its, it's kind of a crash course for the entire MBA, and I am recalling a lot of concepts that I did in my actual MBA. So the content is very good. The connection with XLRI is definitely very good. The faculty is amazing, and this experience of campus immersion and connecting with professors for real is just next level. It's very different from virtual and the rest of the experience that this course gave me. So I was looking forward to this also, because it had been really long that I did my classroom experience. So that's also very nice. Yeah, staying connected as a learner is very important for my field, and I think for every field. Oh, my experience at the campus is beautiful. It's very interesting. It's fun. We started with a campus tour, and it's a huge campus. I did not expect that. And then the facilities are really good and beautiful, very comfortable. The team is very good, looking after everything, minutest of details very well. So I'm just loving it here. Plus, meeting everybody is definitely very, very nice. It's very interesting to be at the campus, live the life for a couple of days of a hostler, and then experience everything one by one, moving around the campus, taking the sessions, networking with people. All those things together are beautiful.